Hello, I'm Pilates instructor Tucker, certified in mat Pilates, and this workout will be linking movements together to build up to the teaser exercise. In fact, we'll be doing a few variations of teaser, so grab a seat and let's begin. And we'll begin laying in neutral spine, so feet are hip width apart, knees at about 90 degrees, arms and head resting gently on the mat, breathing at a comfortable pace. With the next exhale, tighten the belly, lift the right leg in a tabletop, and place it down. Left leg in a tabletop, place it down. Let's continue with that. Breathing at a comfortable pace. Keeping the core activated and tight. So the spine's stable, hips are stable, no rocking. Maintaining structure in the leg. And one more each way, then we'll step it up. And keep the right leg up. Bring the left leg up to meet it. And continue with toe taps. One leg down. And the next. Still keeping the core stable. Hips aren't rocking as the legs come down. Mindful of the lower back, staying in neutral spine, so as the leg comes down or the leg extends throughout this workout, being mindful that the lower back doesn't arch to compensate for the increased load. And still breathing. And keep the legs up. Bring the right leg out straight and back. Left leg out straight and back. And let's continue. I'm exhaling with the extension, inhaling back in. Hips stay stable. Lower back doesn't extend as the leg goes out. And head still resting gently on the mat. Shoulders resting gently on the mat, not creeping up to the ears. Let's go one more on each side and then we'll bring it all down. And down. And rest for a breath. Inhale, exhale, tighten that belly, bring both legs up into tabletop. This time, bring them both together. So knees together, feet together. And with an exhale, legs go out straight. Inhale back. Exhale out. Inhale back in. Great work. Mindful of the lower back, staying in neutral. And if I can't maintain neutral when the legs go out, then I just won't bring them out as far. Just keep the knees bent. Only go as far as I can maintain neutral spine. And that means not overarching to compensate. Two more. Exhale out. Inhale in. Last one. And bring the knees all the way into the chest. Allow the lower back to sink in the mat. And back to neutral starting position. Take a moment to make sure the feet are hip width apart, knees at 90 degrees. Shoulders resting gently on the mat, nose pointed up to the ceiling. With an exhale, tighten the belly, curl up into ab prep. Inhale down. Exhale. Inhale. Two more. Exhale. Last one. And bring those legs straight. Move into a roll-up exercise. Still working our way up to teaser. So arms straight up. Inhale, bring the arms overhead. Exhale, arms down into ab prep. And back. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, ab prep. Now let's go all the way into roll-up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, ab prep. Curl all the way up into a long sit, sitting up straight. Inhale at the top. And exhale, roll down. Slowly down. And again, inhale, arms up. Exhale, ab prep, curl all the way up. Inhale, exhale down, curling into a C, rolling slowly down. 2 more. Great work, nice and slow. Last one. And bring the arms down. Feet come back up. But we're not bringing them all the way up. Now the closer they are to the body, the harder it's going to be, so make sure they stay back. Arms come up. So this will be first level of teaser prep here. Arms go overhead. This time they sweep around. Curl all the way up. And I'm not coming up into a full sitting position, but thinking of the arms being parallel with the knees. And then roll back down. Inhale, arms overhead. Arms sweep around. Exhale, curl up. Inhale at the top. Exhale back down. One more. And back down. And let's take that further this time. Right leg comes out straight, curling up, right leg straight, up. Inhale, exhale, curl down. And this time left leg, arms sweep around, left leg up. Inhale, exhale, curl back down. One more on each side. And roll down. And let's rest for a moment. Now, normally I would do more repetitions on these exercises, but because we're putting them all together as a big teaser collage, doing fewer repetitions to make sure we have the energy to build up to the grand finale. So now we'll take that a little variation on this one. This time legs come up into tabletop. Arms sweep around and up. And curling back down, maintaining balance. Arms up, again, arms sweep around and up. And again, this time straightening the legs, arms sweep around and rolling down. Arms up again, last one. Sweep around, legs straight. Inhale, exhale down. And rest. And this time from the full straight-legged position. Arms overhead, belly's tight. Inhale, exhale, arms sweep around. Curl up. Inhale, exhale down. Inhale, exhale. And roll down. 2 more. Last one. Great work. And roll down. And we'll come on up. Well, as you can see, more work to be done on the teaser. That's a challenging exercise. If you'd like a more detailed breakdown of other movements that you saw in this workout, such as the roll-up, and here's my Pilates instructional guide. The Amazon affiliate links for my workout equipment as well as my filming equipment are in the description. If you use those links to make a purchase, I may get a small commission at no extra charge to you. I appreciate you staying till the end. hit the like button, and I'll see you at the next workout.